Hi viewers, thank you for joining us again. We are grateful you came around. Now today's question, we want to walk you through the process of obtaining the value of this exponential equation. Very simple. I'm going to show you some tricks that you might want to use in the future in solving problems like this. So let us dive into this question right now. And if this is the first time of seeing me on this piece, please consider subscribing if you find value at the end of the day. So let us dive into the question. Now viewers, observe that these fractions here cannot divide each other, but we can always write these guys in an index form. So what I mean is that 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2, right? Then 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2, then all to the power root x. Then of course 27 is the same as 3 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 3 is same as 8, all to the power root x minus 5. Okay. There's a law I want you to remember in indices. It says if you have a to the power n upon b to the power n, what is unique about this guy is that they have the same power. So we can write it as a upon b all to the power n. Okay, this is very true. So that's what I'm going to do right here. So I'll have this guy to be 2 upon 3 all to the power 2 and all to the power root x, right? It's clear. Then equal to this guy is saying 3 upon 2 all to the power 3 and all to the power root x minus 5. Very correct. So the next thing you want to do, you can easily distribute these guys. You can distribute them. It is very true. You can actually distribute them. So now we have 2 upon 3 all to the power 2 times root x is going to give me 2 root x. Okay, then equal to, now I would like to put this guy in a bracket because 3 is going to go into them term by term. So I have here to be 3 upon 2, then all to the power 3 times root x will give me 3 root x. Okay, 3 root x, right? Then 3 times minus 5 is going to give me minus 15. So put them in a bracket. It is very good. Yes, so let us take this side and complete the solution. So let me take off this guy. So this point, so we have 2 upon 3 to the power 2 root x is equal to 3 upon 2 all to the power 3 root x minus 15. Yes, this is where we are at this point. Now the next thing you want to do is to make this base equal. You can see we have 2 over 3 right here and we have 3 over 2 right here. No problem with that. I'll show you a law that will help you resolve these two problems. Now the law says if I have a over b all to the power m like this, and I wish to change the position of a and b, there's no problem. The law says, it says it will become b upon a. If you wish to change the position of a and b, it becomes b upon a, but something's going to happen. This guy is not going to become positive anymore. It's going to become negative n. That is just what you need to do. So you can see that here I have 2 upon 3 all to the power 2 root x, right? Now I want to change the position of this guy, so I have 2 upon 3 all to the power. This guy becomes negative, okay? 3 root x minus 15. Very true. Now these guys and this guy can cancel out because the base are the same. So let me take off these guys from here. Now when you cancel out the base, the next thing you want to do, you equate the exponent. So you have 2 root x is equal to minus 3, into root x minus 15. Very correct. Now, so we have 2 root x is equal to minus times 3 root x is going to give me minus 3 root x. We want to remove the bracket. Then this guy times this guy is going to give me positive 15. Now you want to collect like terms. This guy is going to move into this side. So you have 2 root x plus 3 root x is equal to positive 15. Wow, we are almost done. So let me quickly take off these guys from here. A minute. Alright, so let us take these guys to this point. So we have 2 root x plus 3 root x is equal to 15, right? Now 2 root something plus 3 root something is going to give me 5 roots of those things. So this is going to give me 5 root x is equal to 15. We want to divide both sides by 5. So you divide here by 5. Divide here by 5. This guy cancels out. Root x is equal to 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3, right? Now to remove the square root from here, you square both sides. So you square these guys, you square these guys like this. The square is going to take off the root, so therefore x is equal to 9, because 3 squared will give me 9. So viewers, this is the end of the solution. If you find value, please, I want you to consider subscribing so that we can stay connected and learn together. Have a nice day and God bless you. Bye-bye.